Just go through the whole shed here.
About this outfit that goes and does ramps, but they didn't do ramps here. And then they told us some of this about somebody else. And several agencies, and finally we found rebuilding South Sound.
Are you having fun today?
I'm having a ball.
I know, this is a blast.
It's fun in a long, long time.
Excellent.
Working with a lot of people who know what they're doing and are really good and very professional about it.
Yeah, you told me for it. Yeah, we can do this extra one.
What's going to happen if it doesn't?
It will. It'll feed over there.
Hi, we did. I'm Pam and I'm from Tacoma.
Are you having fun, Andy?
Oh, yeah. Always have fun. He's having a ball.
Hi, I'm Robert. I'm from Puyallup.
Hi, I'm Derek. I'm from Puyallup. A lot of it manipulated when it comes down to say.
Don and Katie Puyallup.
Eric's got it. Backyard.
Hey, I'm Eric from Tacoma.
I'm Kathleen and I'm from Lacey.
Hi, I'm Chris. You know, just practice back and forth 5, 6 times.
Oh, this is
Got
nice.
blood pumping?
Very, very nice.
Yeah, good job.
Oh gosh, I'm just thrilled. I'll
like
keep
that.
all of
I
you
do
in my
that.
prayers forever.
That
I
PVC pipe?
promise I will.
That's just electrical conduit?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Glad you're happy.
I'm very happy. And the roof is gorgeous. I couldn't picture it.
It won't.
My mind doesn't work that way. I saw the pictures and everything, but I couldn't understand what you were doing. Yeah. Oh, this is wonderful. Thank you so much.
Well, you're wonderful people. It's a pleasure.
Thank you very
Enjoy it.
much. Sorry.
I'm Andy, I'm from Mars. Yeah, no, this is great.